join in.
Told you to stay with them.
We don't have a background sound on there.
You could drop a back instead if you want to. Taffy. Taffy.
Gibby. Purr, Gibby. Purr, purr.
Surely got pussycats this morning.
I got Gibby cat. I'm recording him purring. This is getting quiet. And there's Twinkle. Looks like all the cats are in here now, aren't they, Mummy? Gibby, can I just get Twinkle too? Very good. I love the quiet. Why haven't I got that? Twinkle woke up Tuffy. Could I open the curtains?
No.
What?
You can come in my side of the bed and get your mint.
Okay.
Quietly.
This short film is called Jurassic Dogs Per. You are.
You're okay.
You're okay. I'm only filming. It's called Jurassic Dogs, Purrs and Snores. Over to the going to the Mummy's bedside table and having some fun. I believe in cats. I don't believe in quiche. And Gibby is going on to the bedside. They're going on the shelf. And Puskins is at the pack of drawers. And Mitch is on the wardrobe. And Twinkle and Huffy are on Mummy's bed. It is so cool when it really is so earlier. Really cool. I love it. Looks like I'm going to leave Mummy in peace.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to leave you in peace so you can have the bed to yourself.
No, you can draw me back.
Oh no.
Yeah, come here. Draw me back for 10 minutes and we'll get up at 10 o'clock. Okay?
Mummy.
Why don't you film yourself?
No, it's Jurassic Dark, Purrs and Snores. And it's not Star. It hasn't got anything to do about drawing on your back. I don't want this short film to be rewritten, okay? And let's have some peace and quiet for about 20 seconds. Okay then. And the quiet starts. Oh god, now that Twinkle's here. And he's just having some fun. Why is Twinkle here? So fun. Let's start the quiet on now.